What's up, everybody? Sandric Cemetery coming, taking a vid. We got 3 new things this year that I made. I will leave that at the end and see what you think. They are nothing big, but I always like to give a daytime walkthrough, kind of behind the scenes, short video. We'll make our way in the back of the hearse. I always use broken skeletons, like if their backs break or legs break, and just make them ground breakers. It's easy. Might as well get my money's worth out of them until they break more. Another broken skeleton. And he's animated at night if you all haven't seen it before, if you're new. Just want to let you know he moves his head. And then there's my Rodney, caretaker. And of course, got some filler tombstones in. Another skeleton. And my giant skeleton that I made. And there's the front door. That glows at night, black lights. And then the boarded up windows. And at night you'll see that screen that looks like there's a zombie appearing through the window. Then the other side of my driveway, got like the skeleton area with Jack Crow, I like to call him, Jack-o'-lantern scarecrow. So what's new is this guy this year. This was a gift, just the upper torso. It's kind of like a scarecrow, so it's old and it's got to be 20 years old. It was given to me, so I turned it into a prop, a static scarecrow prop. Trying to get a close-up of his face. He's kind of creepy looking at night, but that turned out great. And I lied, it's actually 4 new things. The other 3 beside the scarecrow are my new tombstones. I made this one, it's a mossy looking one. It's been out here for a while, so it looks all decayed and moss and all kind of earthy tones and mildew on it. And I got this tombstone this year. Finally used the top of my styrofoam cooler. I've had this little angel in the yard for years and finally decided to use it. Looked like a tombstone there. If you haven't seen my cooler tombstone, look back in prior videos. And last but not least is my Abby Norm tombstone. And then the lighting before night here, I have a light I ordered, 50-watt LED, hung to the tree here. It's connected to the thunderstorm sound effects, so that goes off at night. You can't see it because the tree blocks it. And then cords running down through the yard. I got 2 of these. Here's one 30-watt blue LED, and the other one runs across here to the other post in the front. And then back here I have a solar white light that kind of goes on that tombstone. Here I got a red light that comes across, goes across the right side of the cemetery, gets the riser tombstone, kind of gets groundbreaker. And of course it goes up on Rodney there. And behind this tombstone I have a white flickering LED that goes up on Susie. It goes on and off. Kind of gives a shock when you see the light come on. And then back here behind the wood pallet and my peaker, the animated prop, I hide an orange LED light. I think it's 20 watts orange. That shines up all through back here with a nice orange hue. It kind of breaks up the blue and the red. Shines on the hearse and gets the rest of this back here. Here I have a red LED spot. It's not my Christmas light, but I bought them on sale like 80% off from Target. This thing I have shining parallel across the other side of the yard and hits Rodney on the side, and it kind of comes across this tombstone with the crow. So it kind of gives it from a blue to a purple to an orange. And then at night I got LED flame lights in that light fixture and then also in that one. So be on the lookout for our Sandric Cemetery nighttime shot and see what it all looks like. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Please like and subscribe.